Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product discussed. In this video, we're taking a look at Veeva, a company whose website you can find at veeva.com. Veeva specializes in cloud-based software solutions specifically tailored for the life sciences industry. Their platform offers a comprehensive suite of applications designed to streamline processes, improve data management, and enhance collaboration throughout the entire drug development lifecycle, from research and clinical trials to commercialization and post-market surveillance. Veeva's focus on this niche market allows them to address the unique regulatory and compliance challenges faced by pharmaceutical, biotech, and other life sciences organizations. They offer solutions for customer relationship management, CRM, content management, regulated document management, and much more, all within a validated cloud environment. This dedication to industry-specific solutions distinguishes Veeva in the market. Their expertise and commitment to staying ahead of evolving regulations make them a valuable partner for companies navigating the complex landscape of the life sciences industry. By implementing Veeva's cloud-based platform, organizations can potentially improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure adherence to stringent regulatory requirements. For more detailed information about their specific product offerings and how they can benefit your organization, I encourage you to visit their website at veeva.com. You can explore their various solutions, read case studies, and get in touch with their team to discuss your specific needs. Veeva's platform offers a powerful set of tools for managing the complexities of the life sciences industry, making it a valuable resource for companies looking to optimize their operations and stay ahead of the curve. I hope this quick overview has been helpful. Don't forget to check out the links in the description and be sure to subscribe for more Rome tips.